Hey everyone, let's talk about bulgogi. This delicious dish has a fascinating history and is a staple in Korean cuisine. It's a super famous Korean dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people all over the world. Picture this: thin, tasty slices of meat, perfectly cooked and full of flavor. That's bulgogi. The meat is usually marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic and pepper. The name means fire meat because it's traditionally cooked over a fire. This method gives it a unique, smoky flavor that is simply irresistible. Bulgogi has been around for a long time, like way back to the Goguryeo era, from 37 BCE to 668 CE. It has evolved over centuries, adapting to modern tastes while retaining its traditional roots. It used to be a special dish for fancy people, but now everyone loves it. From royal banquets to street food stalls, bulgogi has made its mark everywhere. You'll see it at parties and family dinners all the time. It's a dish that brings people together, creating memories and celebrating the rich culture of Korea. Ready to cook some bulgogi? This Korean BBQ dish is a favorite for its rich flavors and tender meat. Awesome! Let's get our ingredients. We'll need a few key items to make this dish truly special. The marinade is what makes it special. It's the heart of the dish, infusing the meat with incredible flavor. It's a mix of soy sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. These give the meat a super yummy taste. The marinade not only flavors the meat, but also tenderizes it. Soy sauce, regular or low sodium, whatever you like. Both work well, but low sodium is a healthier option. Sugar. Regular sugar is best, but you can try brown sugar or honey for something a little different. Each sweetener brings a unique twist. Garlic and ginger freshly grated is best for the strongest flavor. These aromatics are essential for that authentic taste. Now, sesame oil, don't skip this. It adds that awesome nutty flavor. Just a little goes a long way. The star, thinly sliced beef, ribeye, sirloin or brisket all work great. The key is to slice it thinly for quick cooking. Secret ingredient, Asian pear. It makes the meat super tender and adds a little sweetness. This is a traditional touch. If you can't find one, a kiwi is a good swap. It also helps tenderize the meat and adds a subtle fruity flavor. Time to cook. You can grill or stir-fry bulgogi. Grilling. Make your grill medium hot. Cook the meat for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's nicely browned and a little crispy. Stir-frying. Heat a big pan or wok on medium-high heat. Add a little oil. Stir-fry the meat for 5 to 7 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. Bulgogi is ready. So, how do you eat it? Let's explore some delicious and creative ways to enjoy this Korean classic. Lettuce wraps, a classic way. Serve it with fresh, crisp lettuce leaves, a scoop of rice, and other Korean side dishes called banchan, like spicy kimchi and seasoned spinach. The combination of flavors and textures is simply irresistible. Rice bowls, another great option. Start with a base of steamed rice in a bowl, then add the savory bulgogi, a perfectly fried egg, and your favorite colorful veggies. This makes for a hearty and satisfying meal. Noodles, mix it up. Toss the bulgogi with your choice of noodles and a variety of fresh veggies for a tasty stir-fry. This is a quick and easy way to enjoy bulgogi with a twist. Other ideas, different meats. While beef is traditional, don't hesitate to experiment with chicken, pork, or even tofu. Each variation brings a unique flavor and texture to the dish. More veggies, add sliced onions, mushrooms, or bell peppers while you're cooking. These vegetables not only add color, but also enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your bulgogi. Bulgogi is more than just food. It's a special experience that brings people together. Cook it for your friends and family. Share this taste of Korea and have fun. Enjoy the moments and the flavors together.